Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll do the part 2. In that we'll see that is subtract, that is 12x plus 7y minus 15z from 17x plus 8y minus 15z. So here whenever you say subtract and this from word is used, so whatever you have the expression after from that you're going to write in the start. So this is what you're going to write it here, and then you're going to put a subtraction, this one minus sign over here, and now you can see these are the three terms. So what you're going to do, you're going to put a bracket over there, because just you write minus and you write the expression over here, that means it shows that minus is only for the first term and not for this both. So this bracket is very important. So once again I will repeat, after from whatever is there, that you will write at the start, then you will put a minus sign, and this expression you will write in a bracket. So now things are easier. So this all the same, minus 12x plus minus will be minus 7y, and this is minus is going to be plus 15z. So this step is very important. Now what will you do? You will bring the like terms together. That will be 17x minus 12x. Again now this and this together, and this together. So what will be here? This is going to be 5x plus 8 minus 7, that is going to be plus 5. And this minus 15z plus 15z will get cancelled out. So this is the answer. Same here, from here, so this will be at the start, minus this will be here. So first we'll write this the same, minus 21ax, minus plus will be minus 15by, and minus will be plus 6cz. Bring the like terms together, this and this together, that will be here. This and this together, that will be here. This and this together, that will be here. So now what will be 12 minus 21. So that is going to be minus 9ax plus 6 minus 15. So that is going to be minus 9by plus 11 plus 6. That is going to be 17cz. Now again here the same. This will be at the start, minus this whole expression. So same, minus 17x cubed minus will become plus 19x squared, minus plus will be minus 13x, and minus is going to be plus 21. So this is going to be together here, this is going to be together here, this is going to be together here, and this will be together here. So this will be plus 16 minus 17, so minus x cubed, plus 14 plus 19, that is going to be plus 33, minus 9 minus 13 is going to be minus 22, and plus 15 plus 21, that is going to be plus 36. Same here, this will be at the start, minus this whole thing here. So here the same, this is going to be minus 15, minus will be plus 8p, plus minus is going to be minus 6r, and minus is going to be plus 4q. So this is going to be 7p plus 8p, that will be here. This is going to be here. This is going to be minus 2r minus 6r will be here, and this will be plus 9 minus 15. So this is going to be plus 15p, this is going to be plus 15q, this is going to be minus 8r, and this is going to be minus 6. Here they said from the sum of 13a plus 19b plus 12c and the both expressions, we are going to add it. You have to subtract the sum of this one. So what will you do? You will take the sum first of this one. So this sum of this and this. So you are going to add, means you are going to add it because that is the sum. So same thing, the brackets are removed here. Here is plus, so there will be no changes. Whatever is in the bracket, that same will be here. So now what will you do? You will take these are the like terms. This will be together, and this is going to be together. So now this is going to be 27a this is going to be minus 2b, and this will be plus 23c. So this is for the first part. Now we will see first the sum of this both. So after adding this, bring the like terms together. That will be 17a plus 8a. This will be here. Minus 15c minus 18c. That will be here. So this is going to be 25a. This will be 25b. And this is going to be minus 33c. So now this we have taken sum separately. Now it's easy. What we are going to do, subtract the sum of from this one. They say we have to subtract the sum of this one. So what will you do? This whatever that from is there, so that is this part, because we have taken the sum of this one. So that will be this. So be careful with what is written, the statement here. So this thing we are going to write it first, and then you are going to subtract the sum of this one. So that will be, this will be here. Again the bracket is important because it's a minus sign. So this thing will be the same, minus 25a minus 25b, and this is going to be plus 33c. So bring the like terms together. So this is going to be 2a minus 27b, and this is going to be plus 56c. Now here it's given if a is equal to this part, the expression, the b is this expression given, and c is going to this one. We have to find a plus b plus c. So a, what? A is this one. So you will write here, this is a, this whole thing is b, and this is c. So what you are going to do? You are going to add all. So we have put a separate bracket here for what I have done. I have taken the like terms, this one, and put a bracket for x. This y, I put a separate bracket for this one, and for this, because there are three terms, so I have put separate bracket, so it becomes easy for the calculation. So when you add this one, that is going to be 24x. When you solve this one, it will be minus 8y. This is going to be plus 25z. Now here the same thing is there. Here instead of plus, there is minus over here. So same expressions. A is this part, this is b, and this is c. So for this one, what did I do? Here I didn't put a bracket. I just put all together because that was a plus sign, so that was not a problem. But here for this a part, I have put a bracket as here as well as here for b, and this is for c. So this will be as it is. Here will be minus 12x minus plus 13y, and this is going to be minus 19z. Again here minus 7x plus 6y, and this is going to be minus 21z. Now let us bring the like terms together, x, and this one x, that is here. Now the y, this one and this one, that will be here. And this is the z, that is going to be here. So when you solve this part, you get minus 14x. For this one, you will get plus 30y. And this is going to be minus 55z. So now here, it says a plus b minus c. Same thing is there, but you have to be very careful with the sign. So what did I do? This was plus, so I did not put here a bracket. If you want, you can put a bracket. But this was minus, so I put a bracket over here. So same thing, this will be the same. But only the changes will be this, because it is minus 7x minus plus 6y, and this is going to be minus 21z. Now bring the like terms together. So this will be together here. This is going to be together here, and this will be together here. So after solving this one, we get 10x. After solving this part, we get plus 4y. This is going to be minus 17z. Now here it's 2a plus 3b plus c. So we'll write here 2, and then we have for a, this is the expression given, and we'll write here plus 3, and then for b we have this expression given, so that is in the bracket, because this 2 is for this and this one. So this bracket, after writing this 2, you are going to put a bracket. That also is important because this 2 is for all the terms. Again for 3 also, so bracket is important after writing 3. And this c is just c, So this is the expression for C. So what will you do? 10x plus 22y minus 30z. Again we have 36x minus 39y plus 59z, and this is the same. And then the like terms. So here, and then after solving this is minus 23y, and for this part that is plus 48z. Now here they said if the perimeter of a rectangle is, this is given, and one of its sides is 5a plus 3b minus 4c, you have to find the other side. So here what did I do here? Let the other side of rectangle be x. You can write any variable over here, but I don't write a and b, so there will be confusion later. So I just wrote x here. So perimeter of rectangle, you know, that is the formula is twice length plus breadth. So now because here other side we have written as, so the perimeter is given, this is given. So below this one perimeter we'll write this expression. This is true. So let us consider this length as 5a plus 3b minus 4c, that is given here, and the other side we have considered as b, that is x. So now what will you do? This will write the same, this 2 into this one, so this is going to be 10a plus 6b minus 8c, and this will be 2 is for this as well, plus 2x. So what will you do now? We'll bring this like, this is 16a. Now see, here is equal to sign. So 16a write as it is. This you will bring it on this side. So that is going to be minus 10a. This write as it is. So you bring plus 6a on the other side. That is going to be minus 6b. This write as it is. But when you take this on the other side, that is going to be plus 8c. And this is already on the right hand side. That is going to be 2x. So this is going to be 6a plus 2b. And this is going to be plus 2c, that is going to be 2x. So now what you can see here, you can take, this is 1, 2 and 3 terms. So from this one you can take common 2. So common 2 means here will be, inside is going to be 3a. So 2 into 3, that is going to be 6. Here already we have taken 2, that is going to be the remain, what will remain, that is b, and 2, that will be c. So this let us keep as it is. Now what we can do, this 2, this is actually multiplication. So now if we bring this 2 on the other side, that will get, because this is multiplication, 2x means 2 multiplied by x. So if we bring on the other side, that will get divided. So here remains just x, and this will be the same. So 2 times 1, that will be, so what we can write here, x will be this, whatever is remain, that will be x. So we can say the other side is 3a plus b plus c. The perimeter of a triangle is given, this is given, and 2 of its sides are, these are the sides given, and you have to find the third side. So this is the triangle, means you know the sum of all sides. Perimeter means the sum of all sides. So we can consider, let the third side of a triangle be x again here. So perimeter of a triangle is sum of, because the triangle has 3 sides, we can say sum of 3 sides. So now what will you do? The perimeter is given, this is given. So 3 sides means this is the first side, the other side, and the third side we have assumed as x. So now what will you do here? So 18p as it is, this will come on this side, that will be minus 5p. This will come on this side, that is going to be plus 6 will become minus 6p. This as it is, this will go on the other side, that is going to be minus 3q, and this is going to be minus 5q, and this will be as it is. And again for r, minus will become plus 4r, and this will be on the plus 7r will be minus 7r, and this is already on the right hand side, so that is going to be x. So after solving this part we get 7p, after solving this we get 4q, and this one, that is going to be plus 10r, that is x. So we can say third side is 7p plus 4q plus 10r. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.